Hi students, today we are on an important topic when you consider this third unit. Okay, this is the last topic actually. I'm going to complete this third unit with this. Now we'll be seeing certain topics, what is called as wetland, what it is actually. Okay, so this I am going to complete this, what is meant by wetland. So wetland means actually it's a place in which the land is covered by water. Okay, salt or fresh or somewhere in between, either seasonally or permanently. Okay, the primary factor that distinguishes wetlands from other landforms or water bodies is the characteristics vegetation of aquatic plants. It functions as its own distinct ecosystem. You can recognize this wetlands from other types of land or bodies by the vegetation that has adapted to the wet soil. Okay, so that's very essential. The soil will be covered with water and can be present near the ground throughout the year. It supports actually both terrestrial and also aquatic species, and they will be varying widely depending upon the climate, soil, vegetation and hydrology. So this wetland can be natural or it can be artificial. So what is natural wetlands actually? Natural wetlands are ecosystems that are either permanently or seasonally saturated in water. So they will create habitats for aquatic plants and conditions that promote the development of hydric wetlands or soils and all. Okay, so it's actually what is this often refers to as Earth's kidneys. Okay, we call it as Earth's kidneys. What is the reason actually? They will be filter pollutants from water that flows on its way to receiving lakes, streams and also oceans. Okay, and this is what is the natural swamp means. Swamps will be including a broad range of wetlands, so that have a standing or slowly moving water and are dominated by trees or shrubs. Swamps will be differing from marshes in that swamps don't contain large amounts of sedges, bulrushes and other non-woody aquatic plants and all. Okay, so actually this is a natural wetland. Next one, a constructed wetland. So why we are doing this actually? This is actually a constructed, very well, that is a man-made, right? So constructed wetland is a man-made, is an artificial wetland. So this will be used for treating the sewage, grey waters, etc. Okay, so why we are going for this? They are engineering systems. Okay, they are engineered systems and all. So they'll be using for the natural functions of vegetation, soil. Okay, and this is used for treating the sewage. It may also be designed for land reclamation after mining, or this mitigation step for natural areas lost due to land development and all. So they have impervious layer, clay to or synthetic liners and engineering structure to control the flow directions and all. Okay, by various such process, chemicals are considerably removed or settled and clean water is being drawn. Okay, the chemicals can be nitrogen, ammonia, phosphorus and also pathogens. So these are most economical, so that we have to consider. Okay, so types means actually the constructed wetlands or surface flow, subsurface, vertical or horizontal, upflow and also okay, objective is generally the wastewater generated in the system is released to wastewater carrier system. So it's very difficult to treat water that is being treated in a generalized way in a Bangalore city and all. Take it as a city like Bangalore, it's very difficult and all. Okay, so the necessity of constructed wetlands to achieve the following is will be used for treating the damaged water generated in the household or household level using constructed wetland, etc. So that is very essential. So we can remove the organic matter, suspended solids and also pathogens by this. Okay, by nitrogen, phosphorus, metals and all. So the construction of example, I am saying this is one example. Okay, construction of horizontal subsurface flow constructed wetland and all. What methodology I am using? I'm having a buckets of different sizes, and the vertical buckets as holding tanks as inlet you are having. That is, you are having a wastewater. Normally I am taking as 50 liters. Next you are having a rectangular hub of size 62 cm and height 35 cm, etc. So the vertical pipe will be placed above the tub for distributions, etc. The treated water samples will be collected and analyzed and all. Okay, so it will be used for the coarse aggregate sand and also the garden soil and all. So this is selectively followed by medium sized amounts, and amounting total to 15 gram will be added. Okay, The rectangular hub will be provided with 10 degree slope and kept in the slanting positions and all. So the inlet flow and the outflow flow will have to be adjusted so that the hydraulic retention time will be of 7 days. Okay, with this you can, this is actually a method, a simple practical approach for our treatment of wastewater. Thank you.